Wake up to your dreams. A promotional video extols the untapped potential of a dynamic new high-tech city, the future of India. This is what the local government of DHOLERA envisions, ambitious plans for a 920 square kilometre piece of land in the middle of the western state of Gujarat. This area is vast, arid and home to few people, but it's set to house the country's first semiconductor manufacturing plant, or chip-fab.
They will start the construction very soon, maybe in next 3 months. They will start the actual construction, and the fab will be ready for commissioning in 2026.
The DHOLERA plant, which will cost around $11 billion to build, is a collaboration between India's Tata conglomerate and Taiwan's power chip semiconductor manufacturing company, or PSMC. The local government here is eager to show us how this chip manufacturing hub is developing, and with reason, because once this whole place is completed, it'll be the key to India achieving its ambitious goal of becoming a high-tech economic powerhouse. That's as Prime Minister Narendra Modi, recently elected to a third term in office, plans to push India 2 spots to become the world's third largest economy.
वो समय दूर नहीं जब भारत दुनिया का ग्रीन एनर्जी हब होगा, फार्मा हब होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हब होगा, ऑटोमोबाइल हब होगा, सेमीकंडक्टर हब होगा.
He aims to harness manufacturing and high-tech industry, like semiconductors, to reach that goal. The Tata PSMC plant would produce 22-nanometer chips, which function as the brains of modern electronics. The local GUJRAT government hopes that the new plant will attract other tech companies to set up shop here. But they have to assure investors that there's enough reliable power for the energy-intensive chip-making industry.
In case anyone down, so second source is allowed, no interrupted for any chances.
Taiwanese chip giant TSMC has faced challenges in its ventures abroad, most notably when setting up in the US in the desert state of Arizona, since making semiconductors requires massive amounts of water. This experience raises questions about whether chip fabs in similarly dry DHOLERA will consume more than they produce.
We have already built in almost all the consideration for the environment, for the ecology, and the region is little swamp. We have taken care of that also. This part we have already built in our overall planning for Semicon City.
The local government has high hopes that once completed, the new hub will snowball, attracting more foreign investment and become India's city of the future. For now, the DHOLERA Semicon vision remains just that, until this patch of dry land blooms and a new centre of tech for the country is born. John Su, Suvan Pal and Sally Ensign in Gujarat, India for Taiwan Plus.